My name is Suzana Santos and I am maintenance engineer. Part of my job is to make sure that the activities planned are executed during the maintenance closure. We are on M8 westbound on the Cliff. What we are doing is we are cleaning the sludge that comes with the groundwater. All this groundwater, it goes to the low point sump that goes to the water treatment plant. But some of this sludge don't make all the way through the low sump point, and we have to remove on the side. With the vacuum truck, we remove this sludge that don't go all the way to the low sump point and to transfer to a treatment site. On average, about 14 tons of sludge each closure. This is a trial that we are running for the last 7 months, and we are analyzing the data to understand how we're gonna move forward. We have a program, a replacement program of wall panels, and for example, each night of the closure, we are able to change and remove 10 wall panels. And for the pavement, we have deep clean water, pressure water cleaning. What I love about my job is be part of something that is meaningful and important for the people and making their lives easier through infrastructure.